How to find your Gmail password on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can find your Gmail password on iPhone if you have saved it. So let us begin. So first step is you'll need to head over to your settings. Now this is for the people who are below 18.0 version of iOS. So head over to the settings and scroll down. After you scroll down, you should find a password option here. If you don't find it, that's because you might be above 18 iOS version. So for that, in that case, head over to your passwords app. You can simply search passwords app, and after you open it up, go through the Face ID process. And after you are here, this is the app. Now you will need to head over to all. And after you're on the all section, simply search for your Gmail. So scroll down on your Gmail and you should find your Gmail. Now in your Gmail, simply tap on it and you should see your username and password. Now under password, if you simply tap on it, you should find the password and it will get visible. Now you can copy the password and use it wherever you want. And that is how you can find your Gmail password on iPhone, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.